Hi guys, welcome and welcome back in my YouTube channel, our early 20s. Here we do talk about anything, we do anything legal. So this is a show I started 3 episodes ago about cooking natopike, and today we are preparing pancakes. So it's all about easy, affordable, cheap, a 10-minute video on how we can, quickly prepare something to eat. And as you can see, I wore a t-shirt, written the name, my YouTube channel. So I got disappointed with what they call the tailors. This is not exactly what I wanted. If you've watched my videos, my previous videos, at the end of the video there is a logo there, so that's the exact thing I wanted over here. But in Kenya, I'm looking for a plug who will, do the exact thing that I want, and if I get successful, I will have a giveaway of t-shirts. So please subscribe, like, share, and also comment on my YouTube channel. Please share this content, tell your friends about this channel, and also tell me what you want me to prepare also in other videos. So let's go. So what we have here are the ingredients. We have baking flour, milk, cooking oil, sultanas, salt, sugar, and baking powder. With me, I have a whisk and a sieve that I bought online from Kitchen Appliances 2022. It's an online shop. So what you do, or what you basically do, is order online for what you want, then they deliver. So check them out. They have all what you need in the kitchen. Follow their Instagram page at Kitchen Appliances 2022. Yeah. So what we are going to do first is mix the dry ingredients, which are the baking flour, salt, and sugar. So on our sieve we have baking flour. We are adding baking powder, and make sure you mix them very well. The reason why we are sieving the flour, we want to achieve fine flour for better results. It's optional, but sieving the flour won't cost you a thing, so just sieve the flour. Onto our mixture there, we add salt, then sugar, and then the sultanas. Just that. So today we are making pancakes without eggs. So maybe you're asking yourself, where do I get to add the eggs if I am making pancakes with eggs? So when you're done with the dry ingredients, just add your eggs before adding the milk. That's all. So add the sultanas. And since we are making also brown pancakes, we are going to separate some flour, and then from one we are just going to add cocoa powder. But for me, I used drinking chocolate, but I prefer you to use cocoa powder. So we're just gonna mix. Then we're almost done. Add your milk, and also you can use water. It's not necessarily that you must use milk. Just add water. Just use water, yeah. So add the milk as you stir using a whisk. The reason why I'm using a whisk is I want to achieve a running mixture without lumps. Yeah. And to our final step, on your hot pan, add drops of cooking oil, then spread the cooking oil on your pan. Then now pour your running mixture on the pan. Don't use too much oil, cooking oil. Just drops of cooking oil is enough. So just leave it on the pan until the upper part of your pancake is somewhat dry, and then now you can flip your pancake. So leave it for some time, and when the upper part is somewhat dry, add drops of cooking oil before you flip your pancake. Then flip the pancake. Voila! There is our pancake. So making pancake, it's very easy, cheap, affordable. Anyone can make pancakes. Just anyone can make pancakes. So repeat this final step until maybe you're satisfied with the number of pancakes that you want. Yeah. You can have pancakes with tea in the morning, juice, coffee, and also you can have pancakes during any time of the day. Yeah, it's not necessarily that you can eat pancake in the morning, although many people prefer taking it in the morning for breakfast. So I hope that was very easy to make. And there is our pancakes, very fluffy, soft, and ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. So add honey or maple syrup, and yeah, we are done. So that's it from me, our early 20s. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and also comment on my YouTube channel and tell me what you want me to prepare next time. Yeah, and before I forget, ladies,
boys can lie. Boys, you guys are liars. You guys can lie. Hey, liars.
Bye guys, I love you.